guys, how are you today? So, I want to explain about examples of 13 generic sentence and their generic structure in subject advanced English reading. But before I explain about the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Novarani and you can call me Anissa. Okay, enjoy my video. Okay, first material is review text, their social function and generic structure. Okay, social function is to critique an artwork or even for a public audiences. Such works of art include movies, TV shows, books, plays, operas, recordings, exhibition, concerts, and ballets. And there are generic structure. Firstly, orientation, and then evaluation and interpretative recount, evaluation and evaluation summation. Okay, next material. Second material is news items. Okay, in these items there are to inform readers, listeners, or viewers about events of the day are considered newsworthy or important. And for generic structure is newsworthy event, background event, and sources. Okay. Next material is anecdote. Social function in anecdote is to share with others an account of unusual or amusing incident. And for generic structure is their abstract, orientation, crisis, incident, and coda. So in anecdote there are introduction, and then in finally there are conclusion or coda. Okay. Next material is hortatory exposition. Social function is to persuade the reader or listener that something should or not be the case. And generic structure is thesis, argument, and recommendation. Okay, that's material of hortatory exposition. And then next, the material is procedure. Yes, the next material is procedure text. I want to explain the social function and generic structure in procedure text. Okay, first, social function is to show how something is accomplished through a sequence of actions or steps. And there are generic structure in procedure is materials needed like goals, and then next steps 1 until final steps that. Okay, that's material from procedure. Next material, I want to explain about discussion. Okay, their social function in discussion is to present at last 2 point of view about an issue, and their generic structure is first issue and argument for point and elaboration, and the next point and elaboration and argument against for point and elaboration, and the final is conclusion. Okay, maybe that's. And next material is explanation text. I want to explain about social function and generic structure. For explanation, to explain the processes involved in the information or workings of natural or social-cultural phenomena. For generic structure is general statement to position the writer and explanation. Okay, maybe next material is analytical exposition is to persuade the reader or listener that something is the case. And for the generic structure is thesis, their position, and argument 1 is point, next elaboration, and their argument 2 their point, and elaboration, and argumentary their point, and next elaboration and final conclusion. Okay, next material is narrative text. So narrative text is to amuse, entertain, and to deal with the actual or vicarious experience in different ways. Narrative deal with problematic events which lead to a crisis or turning point of some kind, which in turn finds a resolution. And their generic structure is firstly orientation, secondly major complication, and their resolution and complication resolution, complication, and the final major resolution. Next material is report text. Social function in report is to describe the way things are with reference to a range of natural, man-made, and social phenomena in our environment. And their generic structure is general classification, description is parts, qualities, habits, or behaviors if living, and uses if non-natural. Okay, that's all. Okay, next, description text. Description text to describe a particular person, animal, place, or anything. And generic structure is identification and description. Explain about maybe person, maybe animal or place or someone you love and you like maybe, and that's description text. Next is spoof or recount. So spoof is to retell an event with a humorous twist. For generic structure is orientation, and next even one, and next again even two, and the last twist. Maybe in spoof there lelucon or sarcasm maybe, and that's all. Next material. And the last material is recount text. A recount text and spoof maybe the same things, but they're different of two texts. Okay, social function in recount text is to retell events for the purpose of informing or entertaining. And generic structure is orientation and even one, and next even two, and next again even three, and the last orientation. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm so sorry and thank you.